Hello and welcome to Learn Maths with Bola. In today's video, we'll solve the question: evaluate without using calculator 101.5 square minus 100.5 square. So this question, we'll be solving this question, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So remember the formula for difference of two squares. That's the method we'll use to solve this equation without calculator, and the formula says a square minus b square is equal to a plus b brackets, then you have a minus b. So our a here is 101.5 and our b is 100.5. So all we have to do is to insert that into the equation. So we have 101.5 plus 100.5, then the other part of it 101.5 minus 100.5. so when you add this together, you have 202 times 1. So our answer is 202. Simple, right? Yes. Don't forget to follow this channel for more math content. And I have another one that I want you to try out. Try this out without using calculator. Just try this and tell me the answer in the comments.